Alright guys, today I will be doing a video about my original worlds, like my OC worlds. I actually have 3 of them. The other 2 of them are pretty recent, and I've only been developing for a couple of weeks. But, yeah. The last one that I've had for, like, my, whole life. I'm just kidding, but, like, for ages. Like, I don't know. I can figure out exactly later, but that last one I've had for ages, so I'm going to talk about it in the end. The first one is, I don't have a name for the first 2. The first one is a world that actually has humans in it, and they live in these little communities with high walls, and there are a bunch of really big, like, biomes, I guess you could call it, next to each other, all squished up together, kind of like Zoo Tycoon, I guess, or something. But anyway, these biomes have really big spirits. Everything has a spirit. Like, the woods have a spirit, specific plants in the woods have spirits, all sorts of stuff. But the main ones are, like, the actual biome spirits. And okay, if you didn't know this, we've been traveling the USA for like 3 years in a camper, so I've seen a lot of different kinds of forests, and I kept noticing that they have like different feels to them, so I made them into characters. Yeah, like redwoods and the palmetto forests down in Florida, and my favorite location, which is Colorado Rocky Mountains. But I'm gonna make a whole video on that. Yeah, that's this world. Everything has spirits, but those ones are the main ones, and I'm gonna make a more in-depth video on them. And like the humans are very oblivious to their existence. Anyway, the next world is like a lot like Earth, except for that everyone's cats. That sounded weird. They're like normal cities and towns, and everyone is a cat, and they have normal cat colors, except for some of them that have like really special colors like blue and orange and stuff, but like those run in families, mostly because all of the characters, almost all of them that live in this city I got as adopted, and some of them have really bright colors, but they run in families. Anyway, this is also the world where my alien lives, and him and what's his face? Okay, so they go to an alien planet, and which I will talk more about in a different video. But Earth in that world is just like a bunch of cities and cats, and they have a like alien space travel sort of stuff in that world. I haven't developed that very much, but yeah. Okay, the next world is Ongalore. This one actually has a name. It's where Pinion and Lily and Ash and all of them live. Pretty much every character you've ever seen on my channel lives there. Yeah, they have lots of realms you can get to by portals, and the animals are reincarnations of real animals. So the way I created Ongalore was actually because I started drawing mythical creatures that represented my deceased pets. Yeah, that sounds weird. Everything sounds weird when I put it into words, but like, yeah, all the animals in Ongalore are reincarnated animals from our world. Pinion used to be a little deer. He got ran over when he pushed Lily out of the roadway. But yeah, that world has a lot of realms and like a lot of characters I've made in it. And yeah, that's the main stuff is from that world. So yeah, I will make more in-depth videos on all of these worlds soon. And yeah, Merry Chrysler.